Welcome to the video. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use pocket options fully loaded, and you'll know how to trade also. Stay tuned to the end of the video to see how it's $1 into 437. So as some of you may know, pocket options is a platform that allows you to options trade, and it's very easy to get into. So what I wanted to do is make this video on 5 reasons why most people choose pocket options as their broker when starting to trade. So here are the top 5 reasons why people choose to use pocket options. Number 1, this may come as a surprise to you, but pocket option allows most traders to trade for less than 1 minute per position. Now, most traders wouldn't advise you to do that, but it's important because they offer 30 seconds trades. That's really fast, and if markups are spot on enough, you can get really in and out of the market really quickly and just get your bag. Of course, depending on payouts and everything on your position and the specific pair that you're trading. Second reason why, they have a very small entry fee, and what I mean by that is you can start up with as little as $50. That is very important because most brokers don't allow you to open an account with no less than $500. What most traders do is they start their account with $200. That's usually the sweet spot. At about $200, if you have a $2 trade per trade, well, then you're risking 2%, which is about a sweet spot that most traders like to start with. The number 3 reason why is that they allow you to place trades with as little as $1. This is important because most brokers don't allow you to do that. They'll have a minimum, or they won't even allow you to place dollar trades. This is important because if you start off with that very minimal entry to get into the platform, you make your $50 deposit, you make your $200 deposit, let's say you get really low and you're to the point where you have $10 in your account. Well, with pocket options, you can bring that back up to some amazing numbers. If you stick around to the end of the video, what I did was I included one of my trading sessions where I was actually able to turn $1. It was 20, I lost to 20. I had literally less than $1 and made $437 in one sitting. Stay for the end of the video and you guys will be able to see that. The 4th reason why most traders use pocket options is because of their withdrawal and deposit options. They do offer a debit or credit card for entry, but most importantly, they offer Bitcoin, cryptocurrencies. And as some of you may know, crypto moves a lot faster in regards to payment and transferring of funds. Most users use Coinbase or Cash App. The links are in the description, and they use that to get their crypto, and then they fund the crypto into their pocket options. Vice versa when withdrawing, and if you are aware of it, if you've ever withdrawn through Cash App, it is seamlessly. If you don't have Cash App for BTC or crypto of any kind, I highly advise you to click the link in the bio and your Coinbase also. And you have the potential of starting not only to trade options, but you could also build a crypto portfolio. I'll be making a video on that for you guys soon. And number 5, the number 5 reason, one of the reasons most people even use this platform in the first place is that it is worldwide. You do not need a VPN to trade it in the United States. You don't need anything to trade it anywhere else. It's used worldwide. A lot of my viewers use it. A lot of traders that I know use it worldwide, especially when they're traveling. For example, I'll be leaving to DR in a few hours, but most importantly, I'll be able to trade over there. And of course, that is why I do what I do, to be able to move around. So now that you have the 5 facts on why most traders use pocket options, go ahead and click the link in the bio, and you can open an account today in literally a couple of seconds. Once you're able to do that, my advice to you is to use that demo account that they give you guys. You get a free demo account and practice. I have a special strategy I've been using where I'm able to compound a specific amount within 15 trades. That wasn't 15, that was like 30, but whatever. I'm gonna share that with you guys one day eventually, but pretty much, you know, click the link in the bio. You'll be able to sign up today for a pocket options account. Use Cash App or Coinbase to fund those accounts. And I know you may have some more questions. I'm gonna make a follow-up video on how to actually use the platform and some strategies that I use, and I may even break down the content that you're about to watch, which goes over me actually turning that negative equity into $437. So once again, thank you so much for your time. As you go and click that pocket options account to open one, go ahead and drop me a like and a follow too if you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for your time, and I look forward to seeing you on the next.